What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Know Your Studio. Today we're going to talk about putting your beat on the grid. It's very important when it comes to making edits, flying vocals, your delays being on time, all those good things. So we're going to quickly run through that. So like I said, I'm going to look for transients. That's what I'm interested in. So I'm going to make sure I'm in slip mode. My tab, the transient, is on. So I'm going to tab. I'm going to use that as the 1. I'm going to use that as the 2. I'm going to use this as the 4. Command I, identify that as the 4. See, look what's happening here. So that's another 1. That should be the 2, right? Let's make sure that's a 2. 2. Let's I'm going to use this as a 4. Right there. That's a big transient. We're going to use that as a 4. 125.1. Let's see. Let's go further down. That's how you can tell at this point. You tab to it. We're going to use that as the 4. There it is, right here, 125. That's our tempo. So I'm going to undo all this tempo stuff. So once I undo these, I hit return. Again, I can double click that little red diamond, or I can go up here, top right, where it says tempo. I can click. It was 125. Hit return. So now our tempo is 125. So remember, we want to make sure that it's actually on grid. See, there's space right there. We're not going to be on. So we're going to take one of these transients. Let's go over here where we started originally. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to look at here. So we're going to tab right to that 1. I'm going to hit A to trim it in. Make sure we're in grid mode. I'm going to grab that, slide that right onto the grid, right on the 1. Then I'm just going to drag that all the way out. Now, to double check, I want to make sure my grid is on the 1. I'm going to go way down here and just choose 1 bar. This should loop perfectly. See, anywhere. See how those loops are clean? The reason is because it's on beat correctly. So you can take any piece if you needed to say, see, that's a 12-bar intro. Just for some reason you just wanted the first 4 bars, let's say. Great. You could do that. Hit Command D, duplicate it. Again, see, now it would just be a different intro. If you just wanted to switch it, do whatever, it should be all clean. All right. Hopefully that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to know your studio. See you next time.